Okay, so today I'm going to build a simple image captioning application where I will pause an image and will ask the AI model to describe it. Like here I have an example. I have paused an dog image and asked the AI model to describe the image, and what it has returned me, a dog in the park is running around with its tongue and hanging out. So it is pretty much correct. It actually described the image. So to achieve the same, mm, I am going to use the langchain for the all the driver code, and for the model portion, I will use the Ollama to download the model and use the model. So here in the langchain documentation, if I type here Ollama and into the LLM section, if I click here, I will come to this particular documentation for the Ollama. I am also have the link for their official website. If I go here, I can get the download link to download this particular Ollama. So Ollama, what it does actually, it lets you to run AI model or LLM model into your own local system by using your own system configuration. And installation is still very straightforward. Just click on the download and then you will get the different link for your different OS. Like here you have link for the Windows, Linux and Mac. Depending of your own OS, you can use any of it. And installation is very straightforward. Just click next, and it will install. So I have already installed Ollama in my local system. For check, you can open your command prompt. By here you can actually test it through so that Ollama. So for the Ollama, you don't need any kind of ID environment. By just from your command prompt, you can use this particular. You can run LLM. Or for that, if you command is kind of Ollama list. If you type this one, it will give you the all the available downloaded model that are present in your local system. Like here, I have three model available in my local system, which is bakllava, Llama 2, and Llama 2 uncensored. So from here, you can get this all the information. If you go to the model section onto the website, click here the model, and and then you will get all the available models. So this much models are available. You can download any of this model and use it on your own system. So here, as I show you, I have a Llama 2 model. For that, I have to run this particular command, which is Ollama run llama 2. So first time when you install the Ollama in your own system, and first time when you run this particular application, it will download the model, which is 3.8 GB. So it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. It will take the time, and it will download the model into your own local system. Like here, I have already downloaded it, and you can see here, 3.8 GB as occupied by this particular model. And after that, if I just copy this particular command and paste on my terminal and hit enter, you can see after some time it will start. And here I have a space to use a particular model here. Like here, see, send a message. If I type hi and hit enter, it will give me the response. So without using any IDE and anything, I can directly use the LLM from my terminal. Now, if I ask another question, who are you? I am just AI assistant trained by Meta AI by primary function to assist whatever it is, right? So you can get the response. But my today aim is to build a AI image captioning project. So for that, I will again back to the Ollama this langchain documentation. So here I have all the driver code here, how to use any model through on the Jupyter notebook. So for that, I don't need to use any terminal for that. I need a code environment, right? So to build an application, not every time a terminal will help. So for that, I will go back to my notebook. Here I have all the code available. So all this code I have just copy paste from this their Ollama, their LangChain documentation. Nothing I have write my own. So for the dependency, you only need pillow. and langchain community is it to install. Installation is very straightforward. Just type pip install langchain community and pip install below onto your terminal, of course under an environment, and it will install. So let's first try the Ollama model, and within the my Jupyter notebook by uh, for that I need to import that Ollama module from the langchain community.llm section, and then I have to instantiate the LLM model here, and by passing the argument model is equal to llama 2, which is the same model I just used on my terminal. After that, if I call the invoke function, which is just to run the LLM model by passing a query. If I run this particular one, it will give me an joke. So I have passed an query which is tell me a joke within 20 words, and it's telling me why don't scientists trust atom, they make up everything. So it is a joke actually. And if I pass the same query, sorry, if I pass the same query on my terminal, let's see what it gives me, because I am running the same model here, llama 2. Why was the math book shared? It had too many problems. Okay, so it's a joke clearly, but it's a different joke, not the same one. Let me run it again. Okay, it's giving the same joke again and again. Okay, but it is actually working. After that, I am going to use the multimodal image. So I will not spend many time on to using this one, because my today aim is to build a captioning application, image captioning application. For that, for image captioning, I will use this bakllava model, which is also available on the Ollama. Here, if you go to the model and search for bakllava, yeah, after that you can get this particular one. Just click here, and you can see you have to similarly just like Llama 2, you have to type bakllava after the Ollama run. Just type Ollama run bakllava. Initially it will download an 4.1 GB model onto your local system, and after that you can straightly use it. So I have, as I have shown you, I already have that bakllava 2 here. You can see here on the model list. It has occupied 4.7 GB in my system. So for using this particular model, similarly I have to create a LLM instance by using Ollama module, and here I have to pass the bakllava instead of llama 2 into the model parameter. And then if I pass the same query, which is the tell me a joke within 20 words, let's see what is returned. It is taking some time because it's not because it's kind of heavier model. It is actually 4.7 GB, not 3.8 GB was for the llama 2. So definitely it is taking some more time. 100 words, that's a lot. Tell me something funny within 20 words. I don't think it's a joke, but anyway, I don't think it's specifically designed to give any response. But anyway, let me try again by running it again. 40 people on a boat in the water with 50 chair and 50 bottle of soda pop. Uh, Again, I have a doubt that this is a joke, but anyway, so it is not giving me that appropriate answer of this kind of text generation thing. After that, here I have a few image processing code, which is nothing but I have to for converting an image to a base64. Again, this code is simply copy paste from this particular website. Here you can, if you scroll down a little bit onto this langchain website, here you can get all the code available, which is available to uh, converting an image to a base64. Just copy paste on your notebook, and you should go to. And for testing purpose, I have three set of image. The first one I will use a dog image, a very straightforward. I will ask to describe that image. After that, I have another image which is a scoreboard for a badminton game. Here I have few text also, so I can take how much it is good on the OCR part as well. After that, I have another image. There I have couple of couple of people are standing, and they are using their own device like laptop and mobile. Someone using calculator. I don't think it's a calculator. It's a tablet, I believe. But anyway, so I'll use this for these three image to test this bakllava how it actually responds in those images. So for that, let's run this code, particular block to see the images. Okay, I have the image. And after that, you have to write this particular line, which is llama bakllava dot bind. Bakllava is the same instance which I have created out of this Ollama module. So here, this instance, which is same use for the invoke, but before invoke, I have to bind it with the image. I have to pass the image, which is not a straightforward. You have to convert this image into base 64, after base 64 string. After that, you have to pass the image. And then if you ask to describe the image in short sentence, let's see what is returned. If I run it again, yeah, a brown and white dog in the field. Yeah, so pretty much it is correct actually. So out of this image, it is giving me a response. If I run it again, what it gives me? A brown and white corgi walking through the field with tree in the background. So yeah, it actually captured this tree also here. Here it is, but although it is a blurry, but again it has recognized. Okay, now let's try with the second image, which is the multi-person image. Let me comment the one and uncomment this particular one. If I run it, yeah, I have loaded the image successfully. And if I again run the model with the same query, let us see which is returned. 6 people standing in a line holding tablets. Yeah, so pretty much actually correct. It actually giving a count of how many people are there. 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it actually give me the correct count of how many images, how many persons are there. But holding tablet, so not everybody are holding tablet. I believe they are holding laptop also, but anyway it is considering this one as a lab tablet. Okay, now let's see, it is actually identify the gender also. It can do the gender classification also, ki how many male and how many females are there in the image. Let me try that. So how many male and female in, sorry, in the image. Sorry, I have to put the shift in that, not the 5 men and 1 woman in the image, which is totally incorrect. I don't know which one it has identified as a woman out of 3 women. But anyway, let me try again. Let me run it again. Again, it is giving me the same thing. 5 male and 1 female in the image. How many male and female in the image? I think it's not giving me the correct one in the gender classification task. So clearly it is not able to identify which gender on which person. But again, let me try with some another comment. Ki, identify gender of persons are in the image. Let me check this time what it give me. 5 men and 1 woman. Okay, so I don't know. I want to very I'm very curious to know which one is identified as a woman, and other two as a men. I don't know, but anyway, let me go to the third image here. I have, which is the scoreboard one. Yeah, I have the image available here. Let me change the query. Describe the, I will go from a simple query. I describe the image. 10.com is a sport team scoreboard displaying. Why it's 10.com, I don't know, but the scoreboard show that team A has 14 points, which is correct. Team A has 14 points, while team B has 15 points. It is also correct, indicating 1 point lead for team B, which is so correct. There are 2 rows of number in the scoreboard to keep track of the ongoing game. The scoreboard is situated in the front of wooden table, which is occupied in the background of the image. Oh, okay, it has identified the wooden table also here. The entry scene emphasize the competitive nature of the sporting event. Okay, so it has actually pretty much identify the correctness of this from this image. So if I ask something else, key, okay, so which, as I see here I have written badminton scoreboard. That means key, this scoreboard is for a badminton game. If I ask this key, which game games board is this? Okay, sorry. Team A scored 2 out of 14 set. Now, which game scoreboard is this? Let me change the query again. What game is going? 10 pin blowing. I think it's not also correct. Let me again change the query. What game is, which game scoreboard? Okay, so which game is score is here? Right, on this one, let me create CG. The image feature says badminton scoreboard. Now it is give me the correct one. Which game scoreboard is here? So it has given me the correct one, which is badminton scoreboard. That means it is very good to identify the text also, right? Okay, so this is all for this for today. This is so you can by writing just few lines of code. I mean, how many lines are there? I mean, if I leave the image processing part, not 4 to 5 line, not more than 4 to 5 line image. Yeah, 4 line code you can build an image captioning project, and all of them are free. Nothing you have to pay. Like here, everything I have used here, the Ollama is free. I have used the bakllava, which is also an open source and free model. Just it will consume your 4.1 GB space, and it will burn your own CPU and GPU if you have any. And also the langchain driver code is also free. So, okay, bye. Today, this much was for today. Okay.